Allow me to return thy apple.
Your heart's cold, impossibly fast. You don't eat it and you talk like you're from another world. I know what you are.
Let's take a walk.
I know what you are.
Say it.
The vampire.
Bella, you're naked.
Make love to me?
I can't. I'd kill you. I'm different to other guys. Look.
You're Jedward?
Actually, I'm John. Edward.
I don't care, it doesn't matter.
Do you see the freak I've become?
I'm unconditionally and irrevocably in love with you. Ow!
How do you answer this thing? David! I can't! Oh. Hello? Hello? Oh, it's you!
Say hello to your new daughter.
What's her name?
Joanna Vessa. You take her. She has your eyes and your nose. For 8.5 months she kept me company. She was you in your absence. Now that you're back, she's your baby. Mr. Sharp is here, Gustavus.
Ah.